So, good morning. I'm back down the plot. I haven't actually been here for a while. You know, when you keep putting something off because you're like, oh, it's going to be hard work. Wow. That's been me in the plot the last couple of weeks. But hey ho, I am back now. Yeah. Everything's looking kind of messy. Well, some of my plot is anyway. Okay. Not too bad on the sides. Could do with a trim. Yes. Put that down. That's a bit wet. Okay. Put that on the edge. And let's go have a look just quickly at the other plot. Yep, no work on that one. So I've done a little bit more on this one. He is the best other plot holder for actually doing stuff. Nothing on that one. Not really much on that one. Okay. What did I expect? Anything different? Right, oh. My toes are already wet because there's a lot of moisture on the long grass. I think it's the time of year to be wearing wellies again. Okay, a quick look on the plot. There's possibly some carrots to put there. Well, what if I just walk through? Probably a cobweb. Sweet corn. I think I picked it all last time. Yeah. I don't think there's any cobs left on that. Leeks. Cobweb time. Leeks are growing, but need weeding. Then I got to do all the brassicas. Yeah, I need to cover and deal with stuff. More cobwebs. And more cobwebs. Oh, I hate that. Oh, I didn't expect this. There are still tomatoes growing. I haven't watered them for like 2 weeks. I guess the roots go quite deep. That's a nice surprise. I expected to find blight in here, like really badly. But I think it's just they don't like the cold weather and all that. I think that's just, I don't know. I think it's just the age of the stem. That's nice. I think my plan of attack is level, cover, clear cover, sweep the path, move on to the next bed. That seems sensible. A couple of weeks ago I dug up the potatoes from here. I just need to level it off, cover it for now. When I'm lucky enough to get compost or manure, I will then take the cover back off. So I got to clean up that path and this one. Then I will investigate if there's any onions left there. And I think between doing those two beds, if I've got any energy, I might clear off all these, I was going to say rings, but there is no point in leaving anything because there's a frost due soon, which is going to probably wipe out all of this. as many onions under that weed suppressant stuff. I thought I'd got most of them up, and I thought what was left was going to be tiny. Yes, there are some tiny ones, but let me show you. Look, I am actually quite pleased with what's left. So I'm going to let them dry out on the soil there and carry on weeding beds and bits of path, so that I think though the amount of bindweed in this one, I'm going to have to maybe move the onions over onto the bed that's just been covered, and then I'm going to have to dig it over to take out bindweed, then I will cover it up. So thankfully they don't seem to have white rot, at least not quite. But yeah, some really nice size ones. And there was me thinking there wasn't any more left. I have dug it over. It's nicely raked there. I think I'm going to leave it uncovered just because it's going to be raining over the weekend. And the next time I'll come down, then I'll cover it up. But I've got a fair amount of roots of weeds out, so that will make it a lot easier come next growing. I say next growing season, whenever I plant something else in it. Well, although there's blue sky, there's also grey clouds, and it keeps trying to spit, you know, as in rain. So I think I'm going to gather up my onions, pick my tomatoes, and then head off. So I've just come into the greenhouse to pick tomatoes, and somebody else has been helping themselves. Let me show you the evidence. Look. Little mouse droppings. And that one over there has been munched. That'll be the little field mice that I see. So now I'm going to be picking all of these red ones and the ones that are yellow. Now with the grey sky in the background, look at that wonderful harvest. Now, the tomatoes have been very difficult this year. So this is probably my only third or fourth harvest. But hey, what a lovely last harvest. So what is the dates today? It's the end of September. So I'm going to enjoy that. That's precious, very precious. That's not bad. I got one whole side trimmed with one battery, and just a little bit at the front here, up to about halfway towards the chair. So I think that's quite good progress. Next time maybe I can do the other side path. So yeah, just run off them. I even found a few little courgettes. I thought I'd better pick them though, given there's a cold night coming up. I don't know if they'll survive. These will be tasty. A few is better than none. So yeah, so now I've got those onions in there and these tomatoes, and it keeps raining on and off. I'm going to go home now. So, thanks for watching. Bye for now.